Hello and welcome to my new YouTube channel. My name is oORPha and today I want to show you how I made my beautiful giant dream catcher macrame tree installation, however you want to call it. Yes, this was very much fun for me and yeah, enjoy. If you like this video, please give him a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more creative and interesting content. As you can see, I made a frame out of bamboo sticks and a wood stick, very simple thing, and after that I covered it with some jute mesh stuff, I don't know what this is called, so it has more grip for the ropes later, so everything keeps in place and holds the installation. Very good. Next steps, the ropes. Yes, this sketch has more details, they will not come, no. Covered it, not want to confuse your brain. You can see I have two different jute ropes. One is a little bit better quality, you see it falls right down a little bit smoother. But in the end I loved it to have the two different because of the optic. It was very nice, this mixture. Both ropes are 50 meters long and I'm so happy that I took the full length, so the half you see, but it went out very well this side. So a little break from the workflow. Now I want to tell you why I did this whole thing, not only because it's pretty. I made this to underline my manifestation. I wish for a huge house with giant garden and trees and plants and chicks and some more stuff, and we love nature, and this is how I bring it home right now. So now we continue with the creative part of the project, the crown and the branches, and for the small ones I just twisted the ropes and make a simple knot. Yeah. So now a little explanation of the knot I made. It was always the same one. It is very simple. You see I made a little animation for this, and you have to do it again and again and again and again and faster and again and enjoy it. You don't have to do it fast, but it will take a lot of time. Yeah. What's maybe nice to know on this point, I always followed my plan, not because I'm a control freak or something like that. It's easier to hold your composition if you plan it and do it like that. But go with your flow and have fun. So next nice part, the eye. Here I planned so much more. I planned to do an extra dream catcher inside of it, but when it was finished I thought it was very good like this. I leave it like that, and yeah, less is more. For me it was the best decision right now, but do what you want to. Maybe you can hang in some crystals, maybe you do a dream catcher inside of it, maybe whatever. Do it like you want to. It's just an inspiration, so you can do something completely else. Whatever you want. Now we can imagine our basic shape quite good. And you see I fixed everything with cords. I removed them later on, but it was very important to hold this shape in place. Here the view from the other side, and you can't imagine how hot it was in this bright burning sun. I was cooked. Yeah, and during the process you see it started to look so awesome. I loved it still there, and I knew it will become so cool. Here the plan again. You see I not always use the same number of ropes to braid them together. And remember on this point to keep your composition to hold the main elements in place, in the final place, because changing something afterwards is very difficult, and it should be a little bit tight so that it can hold itself quite good at the end, and yeah, keep it right there where it should be. So enough talking, now enjoy watching my workflow in the following sequences. Yay, half is done. Now we do the roots. These are quite similar to the other part, but a little bit more angles. In between, I improved the whole project step by step, and it became to look complete more and more. I love it. And I love cuddling my dog. Yeah, very much. And definitely remember the knot. Again and again and again. Remember, again. This project felt like it took forever. Forever! Maybe you need a lot of patience, but it will train your consciousness, and I think what can be better to feel like to be in the moment while gardening or be creative or whatever. This is very good for this training, I promise you. Definitely. You have to be patient. Yes. Ooh, there we have knot number 2. It is quite simple like the first, and yeah. But I promise you, with these ropes, which have some rough surface, it will hold very good the position of this construction. Quite enough to do this. If you have different ropes, different materials, something smoother, maybe you take another one. Oh no, and it happened. I saw it while I was doing it, but I don't want it to be true. So I asked the universe and it told me the truth. What a surprise. So go backwards and do it again. So now you maybe see what a mistake was. It was too thick on this place. I did this knot very close to the frame, to the I-frame. And this doesn't look cool. So I made it again, but I connected these parts step by step with a little space in between, so this rope can be twisted on this place. This looks so much better. Yeah, fixed. Now continue with the rest. So here the reverse procedure to the other part, to the crown parts. I splitted the number of the inner ropes in the same way I did it above, where they were connected together. So they came out quite similar. Not very much to go for. It looks so cool right now. Burn again, burn! And yes, the upload is not in the summer, it's a little bit later, but it took a little time to end up this project, to play around with some fancy special video effects. I love it, it was so fun. Yeah, and here we see some of the ropes were too short and I connected them with 2 simple knots. This was too simple for a separate animation, definitely. Yay, and there it is, the end is near. And here you can see I found some fishing rope across the street on the lake. Yes, very useful, thanks. And I took this to bring in the final shape and cut out the assistance ropes. This part was so much fun because you see the final shape and it's so near, so close to the end. And yeah, refresh and go for it. Woo! Yeah, here we have the true conditions in which I found the fishing rope. Detangled it in a second. How you can see. Live with true magic. Oh, what a good moment to see cutting this stuff. And now gardening time. Woohoo! Put it in a pot and put it right there. Just do only this and yeah. Maybe enjoy arranging a little bit. That's quite cool. Was fun at all, yeah. Everything was fun. This whole project was fun. And see how it looks right now. Also for me, it's so exciting to see this picture on the video. It's so cool. Oh my god, and it's done! Yeah, here you can see my pots. I upgraded them with the rest pieces of the ropes. Perfect! But you don't see this when I filmed the outcome, because I did it after that. But who cares? It was cool and it's cool right now, and imagine this was putting together. Just imagine. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please give him a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cool content like this. Bye bye!